Well, this happened. Luckily, my camera and the lens are safe except for a small dent on the 70 to 200 millimeter lens ring. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of a sunrise photo shoot I did on a beach early in the morning in Thailand. I'm back after a small break. I know I have been away for quite some time, but frankly, I'm not motivated to edit videos, seeing how my growth on this channel has been. But I am committed to continue making videos for this channel here. So if you're still out there, do stay tuned. Hi and good morning, guys. I am at this beautiful beach in Koh Yai. It's a remote island of Phang Nga province in Thailand, and I have to be really fast because, as you can see behind me, the sun is rising and the light is changing very fast. So I'm trying to multitask here, and I plan to take some nice landscape photographies. I'll just show you in a minute how beautiful the scene is. I also have done a similar video of a sunrise beach photography. If you're interested, you can check out that video. The link is in description below. I'm quite early here. It's probably around maybe 5:50 and the sun is going to be up probably in another 15-20 minutes. So I only have a 15-20 minutes window, and I really want to click this beautiful sky. The sky color has already changed, in fact. So let's try to shoot something. And lucky for me, I am the only person on this beach. There is no one, at least till now, for probably 500 meters across both sides. Let me show you how beautiful the sky is right now. And because of the low tide, the water has in fact receded, and I can see there is a small pool of water in the middle, but still there's land behind it. And this beautiful rock, I just cannot say how amazing that is, adding to the landscape here. The water is quite still, so I don't think so I'll get any kind of smoother movements in the water, but let's see. This reflection is really adding a lot. So I am now going to try 1/6 of a second and at f6.3. I'm still going to slow my shutter speed even more. So that red of the sky is already gone, and I still have a small window. I can still see it in the image, but not in real. So I think I have a window of another 2-3 minutes. So I'm using a ZR with a 24 millimeter Viltrox lens. I also have the 70 to 200, which I'm going to change now, and I'll show you the reason why I got the zoom as well. So I'm quickly going to change my lens to 70 to 200. Just give me a minute. Wow, I don't want any sand getting in any of my lenses. But luckily this beach is quite flat, and there are hardly any waves. Probably I'll also show you another video which I took a couple of days back. I have been staying on this island for last 3 days, and I tried getting up early, but it was almost next to impossible. But today is my last day here, so I made it a point to come early here. And yesterday it had rained, so I was not sure if there was going to be any sunrise, and still I'm not sure if there's going to be any sunrise. It's still slightly cloudy, but we'll see. So the reason why I got the 70 to 200 is to get a close-up of those mountains in the background, if you can see here. And these are part of the Phang Nga province, which has a typical rock formation. I feel it's just too beautiful, and I'm hoping to get that in the background but still close enough in my composition. But they are at a distance, so it's not very clear right now. It's kind of hazy. In fact, my lens is not even able to focus on them. So maybe I'll have to try a manual focus here. But let's try out one photo still. It's still quite hazy, so I'm not sure how much I'm going to get. I had a mishap. So luckily I have a ND filter, but actually nothing happened to my lens, and the sand is quite soft here. So these are the things which is really tricky when shooting on the beach, and I think I'll have to go back and clean. Probably for now I'm just going to be content with this. And I'm realizing on my other camera, which is the Z50, it's also in fact fogging up because of the humidity. And even if I unfortunately didn't carry any cloths, so it's showing, giving a very kind of a misty look. So I'm not going to give up, basically. So I have one lone bird there, which I actually want to get a close up of. The reason why the tripod fell is because it's quite a heavy lens, and I think I didn't screw it well and it was still moving a bit. But yeah, I think it's fine. My lens is fine. Nothing has happened, luckily. It's 6:10 now, and sunrise is supposed to be in next 5 minutes, but I doubt if I'm going to see any sunrise. It rained very heavily in the evening, and though it is not cloudy, but still there's no sign of sun yet. So I don't want to change the lens anymore. I think I might get the sand inside the camera, so I will go back and then clean the lens first before taking it off. So what I'm trying to do is I will still carry my composition between 70 to 200. So this is at 70 millimeter. I do like the shape of the rock, so that's definitely my key subject in this whole composition. And this is at 200 millimeter. So probably I'm going to play around between these two focal length and try to shoot this. So it's actually quite bright now, and I can see there is still some red in the sky, which I can still see in the camera. So I have a couple of people now on the beach, but still this beach is quite empty. These are usual local people who come for their morning walks on the beach. These are the perks of being in a really isolated place, and I love doing sunrise photography more than the sunset photography, because sunrise you will be at least rest assured there's no one on the beach. So this is going to be my last composition. I have to get going because I have a very busy schedule today. I also plan to go to a smaller beach in a while before having my breakfast and actually checking out of this hotel. So before I go, I want to try out this last composition, though there is not much light in that direction, but let's still give this a try. So I have boats in the foreground and mountain in the background, and maybe shooting at 200 might be a better idea to get those boats in the composition. Yeah, so if you can see now. So just before I was leaving, look, what I can see right now. So it's actually the sun is coming up and I want to take some quick shots. Oh, it's beautiful. So let me just give me a minute. I think I need to clean my lens. So this was my last composition. I think I have to leave now. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed coming behind the scenes with me on this landscape photography. Though I'm not a landscape photographer, but definitely I love nature and I don't want to miss out any opportunities of clicking some good landscape. It's definitely always on my list, especially when I'm traveling. I have links in the description below with more videos like this. If you're interested, then do watch them out and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon in another video. Till then, bye.